How to fix TikTok live option not showing. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's get started. First, you want to open up the TikTok app on your device. Now, if you do not have the live option, even though you meet the requirements, then I'm going to show you how you can fix this issue. Basically, the requirements for going live on TikTok is you must be at least 16 years of age, and the second requirement is you should have at least 1,000 followers to unlock the live option. If both of these requirements are fulfilled and you still do not have the live option, then head over to your profile and then tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. From here, tap on Settings and Privacy. Now you want to find the option of Report a Problem. Once you're here, scroll down through the topics and select Live. Then you want to tap on How to Start a Live. Now go through all of this and tap on No. Then tap on Need More Help. Once you're here, you just want to describe your issue. Just say that live option is not available even though you meet all the requirements of going live. After this, you can take a screenshot of where the live option is not available and upload it here as well. Once you have done that, tap on the submit button. Then TikTok team will get back to you and help you fix your issue. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.